it's Tammy, and I have an unboxing here, and you can't tell who it's from because it doesn't say, but the return address is from It Cosmetics. So I had ordered some things. I know that I have said before that I have been a loyal Clinique customer since I was 19 years old, and I do love their product, and I'm very happy with it. But I have to say that I have been extremely happy with my It Cosmetics, and I decided to try something new. It's wrapped up pretty well with this. Alright, so I'm going to take my things out. And I purchased 3 things, and then I got a special gift, which I think is this. This is just a bag. Well, not, I don't know if I should say just a bag, but developed with plastic surgeons' clinical results. And it's an It bag. Nothing special really to me, but it's fine. Let's see. And then so I purchased 3 things. I purchased Miracle Water 3-in-1 tonic, Confidence in a cream, and Sunshine in a compact. So let's see. The Miracle Water. This is 3-in-1 glow tonic. And I am not sure, but I'm hoping that it's like the clarifying lotion that I use from Clinique. And this is what it looks like. And it's anti-aging 3-in-1 glow tonic, skin brightening, anti-aging, and skin softening. There's a little cap on it, or maybe it's just a, I don't know if it's a cap or if it's just a piece of foil. And it's not easy to open up. So if any of you have tried any of these products, you're going to have to let me know what you think of them. I used the clarifying lotion from Clinique, and it's kind of like this, I'm thinking. So I'm hoping that this is a comparable product. It doesn't really have a scent. And it has a nice little tab on the top so I can just get a little bit. Because usually with these things, a little dab will do you. It doesn't take a lot. Now let me tell you pricing. This was $28.50, so it is rather pricey for 8.5 ounces. I think this is more than my Clinique is. And it says use this innovative glow tonic morning and evening after cleansing or in place of your cleanser to purify, hydrate, treat, and transform your skin. To apply, saturate a cotton ball and gently sweep across your face to cleanse and remove makeup and impurities for younger, healthier looking results. Do not rinse. Pat remaining product until onto skin until fully absorbed. So this is very much like what I use the clarifying lotion for. So I'm hoping that this will be very similar. Or I'm hoping I'll even like it better, especially since I spent so much on it. And then next, I think I would use this Confidence in a cream. And this is what this looks like. And this was $36. And it is 2 ounces. So it is not a lot. But this did get really good reviews. And I'm hoping that this is kind of like the Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. It doesn't really have much of a scent. Very light one. if any. So I'm going to put a little bit on my finger and rub it into my hand a little. It feels very nice. Actually really, really nice. Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Anti-aging armor. You can tell that there's a little theme here, can't you? Let's see. Developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists, clinically tested. Apply to clean skin in the morning and evening using upward sweeping motions. Apply to face and neck and anywhere your skin needs moisture and rejuvenation. External use only. Uses directed. And what else does it say? Developed with plastic surgeons, leading experts in skin rejuvenation. Confidence in a cream transforms your skin. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This revolutionary treatment moisturizer helps boost your skin's natural rejuvenation cycle. The proprietary anti-aging armor regenerative concentrate is activated upon contact to immerse your skin in moisture, restore visible radiance, reduce the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improve the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. Sounds promising if it delivers as it said. I mean, it does feel very nice. I can tell you what, so far it really does feel great. Then the last thing I got was Sunshine in a Compact, and this was $25.50. Swirl your favorite IT Cosmetics brush into compact and sweep onto skin where the sun naturally hits your face. Use on face, body, bare skin, or over makeup for a youthful looking glow. And it again is anti-aging and skin loving. Hydrogenized collagen, peptides, silk, and antioxidants. Now I just have to open the box. There we go. And it says, you are beautiful, you are it. And it's a big compact. And this is what it looks like. No real scent or anything. And this is in the color Warmth. There were a few colors. So I'm just going to take my finger. It is very smooth, feels very nice. And I'm just going to put some maybe on my hand. Or maybe I'll do it here so we can kind of see it together. So you could see right there where it gave it a little bit of sun-kissed look maybe. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I think I can actually a little bit, just looking at the viewfinder. But yeah, that's kind of neat. And someone had asked in the questions if they could use this as a self-tanner, and the person said yes, the answer person. So I don't know, I'm not excited. I mean, I didn't get it because I want to have a self-tanner, but I am awfully pale most of the year, and it would be nice to have a little bit of something to make myself feel a little more alive. So these are the empty boxes. I'm going to toss those, but I think I'm happy with my product. I'm going to give it a try in the morning and see what I come up with. Now I do still have a little bit of my Clinique left, especially my clarifying lotion, so I do need to finish that, but I'm probably going to go ahead and try this at least once, then finish up my Clinique, and then use this straight and maybe do a comparison to see, you know, a before and after or something. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.